Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to destination for mastering your mobile devices. Today we are going to show you how to reset Android Mobile to fix performance issues or prepare it for a new owner. So now, let's get started. Step 1 is to open your app drawer and go to Settings, which is represented by a gear-shaped icon. This menu acts as the control center for your entire device and is where you can access the deep system configurations required for a full wipe. Step 2 is to scroll through the menu and go to System to access the advanced management tools. This section contains your phone's fundamental operations, including language settings, time updates, and the recovery options we need for the reset. Step 3 is to back up your data first to a cloud service or an external hard drive. This is the most important part of the process because a factory reset will permanently delete all your photos, contacts, and personal files from the device. Step 4 is to click Reset Phone to view the different restoration options available for your software. This specific menu is designed to help you troubleshoot connectivity issues, or, in our case, perform a total system wipe to clear the internal memory. Step 5 is to click Erase All Data, Factory Reset, to trigger the final cleaning process of your hardware. Once you confirm this action, your phone will restart and remove every single piece of information, returning the software to its original out-of-the-box state. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.